Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a mature palm with healthy flower stalks. This ensures steady sap. Once chosen, climb carefully and position the ladder. Secure footing matters. Next, make a fresh, angled incision on the stalk or inflorescence about 1-2 cm deep. This opens the sap flow. Immediately insert a clean spout or metal tap to guide juice into a sterilized 1.5L container. Make sure to seal the fit so sap drains smoothly and insects are kept out. Continue by monitoring the sap frequently. You want steady, clear flow without bubbles or debris. Once done with the first few hours, strain the sap through a fine cloth into a secondary sanitized tub to remove insects and plant bits. Make sure to refresh the incision each morning by trimming 1 millimeter or 2. This stimulates flow but prevents tissue damage. Maintain shade over the collection area and elevate the spout slightly to allow gravity feed. This reduces splashing and contamination. To finish, act quickly. Sap spoils fast, so either cool to about 4 degrees C within hours or heat to pasteurize. If you want palm syrup, reduce slowly over low heat until sugar concentration thickens, skimming foam and avoiding scorching. Once done, bottle hot into sterilized jars and seal. If something goes wrong, like sour or off smells, stop, filter and reboil once, but if mold appears or bitterness remains, discard the batch. One key troubleshooting tip. Persistent sourness usually means contamination. Clean tools and retap a fresh spot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.